Today we're gonna be driving this airboat made of a mattress from Target on the water. I could drown, I could die from the propeller. That's it! What else can happen?
Meteor comes down.
Meteor comes down! What if we made a bigger version of this? You see this? This is a 15-inch propeller. But you see this? This is 22 inches and could cut my limbs off, which means it's perfect for a rideable vehicle. What is a boat?
That's a sled, and if I want a big one of those, I need a lot of money, which I don't have, which means that I need an air mattress.
I have a quick question. Do you think this would make a good boat?
What?
Like a boat?
No, I don't think that will work, I suppose.
Air mattresses won't sink, but will they break because of how thin they are? We'll find out. How do we know if this will work? Well, the thing is, we don't know what we're doing. What are you doing?
You need to make sure this cable doesn't fall apart.
Plan is to have the motor mounted on a rotating pivot so that we could easily turn. That's it.
We could probably use an office chair.
No way!
Oh my god, really?
In like 3, 2, 1, we're gonna like magically have a chair and like teleport to my garage where we have just the bearing. So 3, 2, 1, boom! We got a bearing. This is menacing and stupid and so janky.
Upside down. There you go. You just messed up.
Oh! Oh, my balls!
I think the neighbors think that you're weird.
Probably. Alrighty, here we go. We got 2 plugs. This is literally just in line. Let's say, oh crap, my arm is getting chopped off. Boom. Now it's off. This looks so stupid. We are finally done with the boat. Now we're gonna go and take it in the flooded swamp and see if it drives boats. What do you call a boat that moves? Are we on the same boat? Oh, this is gonna fall apart. No way, you're not doing that. All right, you won. Terry! This is so stupid.
You feel embarrassed?
Yeah. No, someone just looked straight at, I made eye contact. Now we're gonna rotate this boat and put it in, and hopefully it works. We're going! Oh, it's not plugging in. This is so scary.
You got this!
Oh! This is so hard! The current is so strong! I am using all the muscles in my body to drive this thing around because I'm in such an uncomfortable position and I made this so hard to drive. This is a hot dog. That's not cooked. This is dangerous. Here we have our sausage insertion apparatus. I'm not saying that again. Yeah, go, go, go. You're supposed to hold it!
Pepper with sausage, I'm vegetarian. If I get a face full of your sausage, I'll be so mad.
The prop exploded, kind of. What does the slow-mo look like? Oh, it's going, it's going, it's going. Oh my god! Oh, it's like Fruit Ninja with the sausage.
How did it cut like all the way up to here?
Dude, that's so clean. I think the rest ripped off.
It just ate through it.
Look at that.
Wow.
Whoa. Absolutely caked. That is disgusting. Okay, let's do a cucumber. Bread. Where's the bread?
Bread.
Oh my god! We got a secret weapon. We got the Xbox unripened orange. No. Ah! Oh! This video is kind of expensive, which means that you should check out Patreon. My face is getting so hot right now. What is Patreon? I don't know. Honestly, I haven't been uploading on there because I have no Patreons anyway. I should back up. This thing is like getting close to me. I don't know when this hot dog will be done cooking. I don't think this is the right way to cook hot dogs.